Today we're going to learn how to form the letter K, which makes the sound K. I've got my nice sharp pencil. I'm using the correct pencil grip. I've got power with me to give me the power of writing. I'm going to use my free hand to hold my piece of paper so that it doesn't move around. Now with the letter K, it's a tall tail letter, which means that it touches the top line, just like the letter B, just like the letter D. And in a similar way, it's also got the bottom part of the letter that comes up to the halfway line, just like D and just like B. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. You'll have to concentrate really well because the letter K is a particularly tricky letter. Right, we start at the top line and we go straight down, all the way down to the bottom line. Now if you notice, my pencil has not left the paper. We go back up, and then when we get to the imaginary halfway line, we come out, round, and then back to the tall tail stick. Then we come back out, down to the bottom line, and flick. We do our ligature, which is very important because when you come to do joined handwriting, the flicks will help you to join your letters together so much more easily than if you didn't have them. So let's keep trying. Top, all the way down, back up until we get to the imaginary halfway line that runs through the centre. We come round, back to the tall tail stick, out, down to the bottom line and flick. Down, up, round and back, down and flick. Down, straight up, round, back, down and flick. Now if you look, all of the tall tails touch the top line, all of the bottom parts of the K touch the bottom line, and all of the top parts of this part of the letter K, they touch the imaginary halfway line that runs through the centre of the two lines. Okay, and that's what you need to keep an eye on. Down, back up, round, down and flick. Down, back up, round, back, down, flick. Down, back up, round, back, down, flick. Down, back up, round, back, down, flick. Oh dear. Now you can see this letter K is far too large. It almost goes up to the top line. It's the same height as the letter F or the letter T, which is 3/4 of the way up. We don't want it that big, we want it to come to the halfway line. So let's cross it out neatly with a ruler and try one last time. Down, back up, round, back, down, flick. And that's how you form the letter K.